Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use promo codes in Whatnot. Now the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have an account, so go ahead and sign right in. You do need to make sure that you have all of your information all set already, such as your bank detail and your address, so that you can go ahead and bid or buy items. Now, this account right here is not fully set up, but I can still go ahead and go through the procedure with you. So first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and open up what items you want to go ahead and buy. And then what you need to do then is once that you are here, you're going to be looking at the wallet section right here. So when you go ahead and click on wallet, and then there will be the payment and the shipping information, and then at the bottom of it in here, so again, I don't have this all set up yet, but at the bottom in here you should be able to see coupon or promo code, and then you can go ahead and type it in and then go ahead and press apply. Now I'm going to be showing you what an image of this looks like. So this is what it looks like. So just go ahead and look for any of the promo codes. Sometimes the sellers themselves will have the promo code set up right here or something like that for you to go ahead and use. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.